Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these star earrings. Now I'll show you how to make this silver star earring. To create this earring I'll be using a round ball earring stud which looks like that, jump rings, teardrop bead, round ball pin, 3 sets of pliers, cutting pliers, round head pliers and flat head pliers, owl for hole making, earring backs, scissors and silver stars of course, and they look like that. I will cut one star out really carefully like that, and this star is ready to pierce. I'll be using matte underneath and I will pierce 2 holes on this star there, like it's on that earring, there and there. And now I'm piercing 2 holes on this silver star there, reinforcing those holes as you can see here. Next I will attach earring stud to silver star. I'm using flat head pliers and round head pliers, and I'm opening up this jump ring. Looks like that. So I have opened this jump ring sideways and I'm poking this jump ring through that hole on a silver star. Next I'm attaching this earring stud to the star there, and I'm closing up that jump ring like that. So this is prepared now, looks like that. Next I will prepare teardrop bead. I am pulling through this round ball pin through this teardrop bead, looks like that, using round nose pliers, and I'm wrapping this pin around these pliers like that, so it creates a round loop as you can see here. I'm wrapping this pin around the loop like that. Then I'm using flat nose pliers and securing that pin there, so my loop is prepared. Next I'm using cutting pliers and I'm cutting excess pin off like that, straightening my loop, and my bead is prepared. Next I'm using another jump ring and I'm opening this jump ring same way, sideways, and I'm entering this bead inside that jump ring and my star through that hole there, and I'm closing that jump ring closed like that, and my star earring is finished. Last thing what I need to attach is this earring back at the back of this silver star earring, and this is how it looks, my both finished earrings. Now I'll try on my new silver star earrings. If you have any questions how I made these silver star earrings, please comment down below in a comment box. I will add all materials which I used to make these silver star earrings in the description box. I also made these earrings using same technique. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.